be a better. Can you start again?
Oh, that means no music. Let's just let Debbie finish without music. Ladies and gentlemen, acapella, no music, Debbie Holiday!
Let's do it again. You gotta love life.
You can actually, switch up the lyrics. You gotta give them hope, Debbie.
The main point is we're here to celebrate this. And this man, and the life of people who give a shit about what happens to others. So, with that said, where was I?
Hi, Tammy.
Take a good look around, and if you're looking down, put a little love in your heart. If you want the world to know, you won't let hatred grow. Put a little love in your heart, and the world will be a better place, and the world will be a better place for you and me. You just wait and see. Children cry, put a little love in your heart. If you want the world to know, you won't let hatred grow. Put a little love in your heart, and the world will be a better place, and the world will be a better place for you and me. You just wait and see. Now you can all sing this with me. Here we go. Put a little love in your heart. I know this is the first time we're trying to get better than that. Put a little love in your heart. You're excused because your mouth is full. Put a little love in your heart. Each and every day. Put a little love in your heart. Take a look at each other and put a little love in your heart. Take a look in the mirror and put a little love in your heart. One last good one with me. Put a little love in your heart.
Someone's back in track, Debbie Holiday! Wow, I actually liked that even better, Debbie. That's how good you are. Oh no, we want the other tracks with music, but that was fabulous. All right, ladies and gentlemen, who am I? My name is Patrick Gallino. I am the global LGBT ambassador for the world's craziest vodka, but most fabulous, Stoli Vodka, and we are here, and we're very excited to be here because all of you in this room are amongst probably the first 200, 300 people in the entire world to get to see Stoli's limited edition Harvey Milk tribute bottle and a dedication for a mural by the artist who drew the image on the bottle of Harvey Milk on Spontanea. So give it up for how fabulous you are for being at the right place at the right time. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is our third launch event in the entire world. We were in San Francisco 2 days ago, and we were with Stuart Milk, who is Harvey Milk's nephew. And Stuart talks about his uncle's legacy and how he wanted our community to have hope. But the most important thing that Harvey wanted for all of us is visibility. He said, come out wherever you are. And that means that with this bottle and everything we do with Stoli, we want to showcase the unique and amazing things that make our LGBT community fabulous, and we should never, ever, ever be ashamed that we are LGBT and all the other letters of the acronym. So we have a lot of programming that we do to showcase. We have our Key West Cocktail Classic, that is the world's largest bartender show and celebration. And through that, we celebrate the legacy of our gay bars as the original community centers and safe spaces, and the bar stars who represent that legacy today. Kind of just like the Abbey and the Chapel, who are welcoming and inclusive and are truly a community centers for so many. Give it up for the Chapel and the Abbey. And we still have our Heroes of Diversity video series, where we showcase unique individuals who, by living their lives authentically and unapologetically, are raising the bar for everyone. We have one of our heroes here today, Bruce Blanche, ladies and gentlemen, who truly was one of the pioneers of the word visibility. He has been unapologetically himself since what? The 60s, the 50s, the 70s? Yes. Bruce, thank you for being you for so many years and paving the way. We have Jay Rodriguez, one of our heroes, part of the first openly gay cast ever in network television with Queer Eye for the Straight Guy. But when we decided that we were going to release a bottle, we did not want to do something where we just put a rainbow on it. Our rainbow is so important to our community. It represents hope and purpose, but we wanted something even more purposeful. And when we got to know the work of the Harvey Milk Foundation, led by Harvey's nephew Stuart, Stuart fights for equality around the globe, and he goes to countries that don't even know 1/10 of the freedoms that we know today as Americans for LGBT equality. And he has rocks thrown at him, eggs thrown at him, as he leads pride parades in countries where they're not ready to accept. When we got to know his work, we knew that we needed to honor the man on whose shoulders he and all of us stand, Mr. Harvey Milk. So ladies and gentlemen, right now, I am pleased to welcome to the stage the gentleman who is responsible for the artwork of Harvey that is on each and every one of our bottles. And Scott, would you hand me one of our bottles so that I can present it? Thank you so much. Bring it up, Oz. Mr. Oz Montanilla. Oz Montanilla. Now, on each and every one of our bottles is a beautiful image of Harvey that Oz drew at the LGBT Center in Paraguay in Asunción called Soma's Day. On the back is the story of Harvey's legacy, his signature in gold, and with this bottle we hope to celebrate Harvey, we hope to educate, and we hope that the younger generation will see our bottle behind the bar and say, who's that guy? And read about Harvey's life and how you can support his legacy. And we hope to spark change by asking all of you to live your life in the spirit of Harvey with hope for a better future for equality for all. So Oz, welcome the crowd and tell them how excited you are to be here in Los Angeles.
Thank you, Patrick. Thank you all for being here. I'm really proud of this work, really excited, because for me it's like closing this circle that started in 2013 in my country, very far away from here. And this for me really something truly special, and I hope you guys can appreciate it as I do. Thank you.
And so above us right here, so less than 24 hours ago, this was a blank canvas. Oz flew in last night, scoped out the canvas, and then began work at 8 a.m. this morning and completed this artwork mural of Harvey Milk that will remain here through Pride season. So ladies and gentlemen, I want Bruce Blanche, you're with me, come here. Come on up, Bruce. We need to dedicate this mural. All I need is one sentence from you. It can't be dirty. It can't be dirty. So it must contain the words Harvey Milk. So here's your task.
Yes?
We need a dedication to the mural that must contain the words Harvey Milk, Hope, Bruce Blanche, Harvey Milk, Hope, Bruce Blanche, and Stoli.
Oh!
Not lives. And this will be the dedication.
Do it.
Come on, you write for the Oscars.
Pretty Kim Jong-un's phone number, that's easier. Since I have you all here, I would like to tell you, I would ask you the vegetarian question. What is the difference between garbanzo beans and chickpea?
Nothing.
Donald Trump has never had a garbanzo bean on his face. Since Stormy Daniels is now the queen of West Hollywood. Now, a dedication of this.
And to expand again, Bruce, you are one of the very first openly gay individuals who has lived your life unapologetically. You are a pioneer, and your face probably deserves to be on a bottle at some point. But because you're still alive, I think it's appropriate that you just say something about what it means to live your life unapologetically, bringing visibility to all for equality. And with that, we will dedicate this mural by Oz Montania of HARVEY.
First of all, my hope is that my face is never on a milk cart. But it could happen any day by my own choice. And, what I would say about this is that HARVEY Milk was never in. The most important thing that anybody who's gay can do is come out on their skateboard if necessary. I love that she skated out on it. The most important thing any gay person can do is come out. Because what I get every day from people is, all you gay people, where were you all? I said, well, the mothership landed. But once they know that somebody they know is gay, they can no longer hate in the abstract. They either have to hate you personally, which they won't do. They will accept you personally. And what HARVEY Milk did was put that in great big letters. Come out, be who you are, identify yourself, and in that kind of strength, in that kind of numbers, there's incredible strength. No matter what else is going on in the world right now, and I know it's very depressing, so log on to your Facebook account and see what's going on. Remember that if you are honest with other people, we're a step ahead of everybody else, and we can keep all of the things that we have earned for ourselves as American citizens. And HARVEY Milk was an American citizen who wanted us to be the possessor of all of the rights that come with being an American citizen. And in that spirit, I would dedicate this fabulous mural.
Thank you, Bruce Marich, and with that, this mural is hereby dedicated, the third mural in the entire world that Oz Montania has painted. Yes, all right, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for another performance? I cannot guarantee whether it will be a cappella or not. However, I can guarantee that at this moment we can welcome back to the stage the incomparable, the amazing, the dynamic, and
Can you come wake me up in the morning?
I would love to. What's one more
So that in the morning I just hear all of this.
Absolutely. This is the fabulous Debbie Holiday.
I'm going to intro real quick, Greg. So I wrote this song. It's called Joyful Sound. Went to #7 on the Billboard charts, but I was more proud of the fact that it ended up in Queer as Folk. And I wrote this with Scotty K. Y'all know Scotty K. He used to spin here and is an amazing human being. And we wrote this for, it's a gospel version of Please Believe in You. With that, let's do this. A joyful sound.